सोचा है? तो सोचो अभी। गरिमा, I have a question. Do you also get closer to drugs when you faint up, when your dreams accomplished?
Of course not, Ankit. Indulging in the drugs is not a solution to every problem. Keep fighting and we will succeed one day for sure.
That's great. You know what? Students fight for us to be more independent, get new things experienced to build a foundation for a career.
Of course, Ankit. Even in a survey by NIDA, that is National Institute of Drug Abuse, it was seen that approximately 45% of the students are indulged in the drug abuse, which is really very terrible for the future of the country.
The result of being addicted to the drug is really worst, which include drug dependence, poor judgment,
sexual activity, and even the mental disorder too.
देखकर हमारा बुजुर्ग रो रहा है, 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 नौजवानों को आज नशा तोड़ रहा है।
Talking about the concept of ragging, the ragging shakes the confidence of the new organization.
Sometimes this practice is done very lightly and in friendly way, where it used to be introduction of the students of the junior.
But if this practice is done very harshly and in an inconvenient way, it must be the punishable offense.
It is also banned in our country by IPC, that is Indian Penal Code, under section 23 and 10. That includes AICTE, that is All India Council of Technical Education in 1987.
जब टूटने लगे हौसले तो बस यह याद रखना, जब टूटने लगे हौसले तो बस यह याद रखना,
बिना मेहनत के हासिल तक तो ताज नहीं होते।
ढूंढ लेना अंधेरों में भी मंजिलें अपनी, ढूंढ लेना अंधेरों में भी मंजिलें अपनी,
क्योंकि जुगनू कभी रोशनी के मोहताज नहीं होते। So, youth is a crucial age of development, a period of uncertainty when everything is ferment. Their emotions changes every time, like he can be selfish at a certain time or turn out to be selfless the very next day.
These youngsters may also turn out to be the rebellious one day. This age is full of heroism, toughness, muscle, stimulation, curiosity, judgmental, attitude, and even much more.
Garima, is politics is necessary for leadership?
Ankit, the life of student is really crucial stage in which they have to give more preference to their own education than any other activities. Their active involvement in the politics leads to the damage of their own studies, which is more necessary for them.
Once this stage of student life passes, then it will not be returned. And if it does, things will be not the same like it used to be. Students should keep themselves out of the dirty games like politics. They should think of entering into politics only after completing their graduations or desired qualifications.
Nowadays, politics has become the full-time profession in colleges and university as well. The country no dirt of nonsense politicians who create a lot of differences among the people in the name of caste, religion and the creed.
If you really wanted to be the epitome of politicians, just be like Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Jayaprakash Narayan and Lalu Yadav and many more.
जीत के खातिर बस जुनून चाहिए, जीत के खातिर बस जुनून चाहिए,
जिसमें उबाल हो ऐसा खून चाहिए।
या आसमान भी आएगा जमीन पर, या आसमान भी आएगा जमीन पर,
बस इरादों में ऐसा जुनून चाहिए। With these lines, we are here to conclude. Now we are here together for last performance, which is equally participated by whole class. As we have no time, it's running too fast.
So come on, everybody cheer up for our biotech second year section A team who are going to participate.
Section A would like to thank our respected Chairman Sir for providing us such a great opportunity to express our thoughts and feelings in front of everyone.
Also, we would like to thank our one-man army, none other than our HOD Mr. Pankaj Gupta sir, who gave us proper time for managing all the tasks.
Also, our special thanks goes to our respected Arpita ma'am, who was one of us, who was standing with us in every first time club. So thank you so much ma'am in helping us and managing each and every task for us. Thank you so much ma'am.
Also, we would like to give our special thanks to our coordinator, Dr. Ifat ma'am, including with our subject teachers, Mr. Manoj sir, Pooja ma'am, Ahmed sir, Fizan sir. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to perform here. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed and it was a wonderful day. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I would request all the students to please come on the stage for a group photograph. I take second year section B. Please come on the stage for a group photograph. And I request dignitaries present here, our Chairman sir, Vice Chairman sir, our judges, our esteemed guests, faculties from Biotech Department. Please come and grace the stage. I would request members of Cultural Committee, Mayank sir, Avnish sir, please come and grace the stage too.
First of all of you, very nice performance done by you guys.
Thank you.
The best part of the program was the song performance done by all you, and the 3 Idiots song was very wonderful. और उसको हम लोग को याद आ गया जब हम 3 Idiots मूवी देखे तो very nice performance done by you. And the topic which was you जो आपने choose किया बहुत अच्छा topic था जो आजकल बच्चे इस दौर में गुजरते हैं तो बड़ा अच्छा लगा इस topic देखो. The program was very nice. Thank you so much, man.